Welcome to Mike Made Simple. Today we'll be studying a couple represented by a vector. So we have a vector here, a minus f vector and f vector here, and r vector is given as shown here. This is r vector, and the moment of this vector is in this direction in the anticlockwise sense. This is the moment vector. Now we know that moment vector r m vector equals r vector cross f vector. Now this moment can be translated as here shown. In the plane it can be moved anywhere along the plane, it can be moved. So I have made a plane and a vector here which shows the moment vector m. Now we can resolve this moment vector m into its components. We can shift this m vector to here at the origin, at the origin and this can be shown here, the moment vector components. So this is m vector, my vector, sorry, m vector, and this is mx vector. This would be mx vector, mx. This here right here would be my, and this here would be mz. So we have the three components here, and it's these in these direction would be in the same as the m vector, that is in the anti-clockwise sense. So the mx vector would have the moment vector direction as this, the my vector would be like this, and the mz vector would be like this. So these are the three directions in which the m vector has been resolved into. Now this can be shown that here this is mx vector, mx, this here is my, and this here is mz. So what we have done is we have made this vector component into vector couple into three resolved moment vectors. So this we can write r cross f vector equals mx I cap my j cap, mx I cap plus my j cap plus mz keycap. So this can be done here, and this is the R vector. This couple has been reduced to this moment vectors. So that was all for today. So if you have liked the video, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. Thank you.